Meridith Baer's garden was like none other. It was filled with a fabulous collection of potted plants, reflecting her history of home staging, which was a technique that she invented to help make homes more appealing to prospective buyers. Her backyard is now terraced in dramatic layers. You'd never know that it used to be a mountain of dirt that she had removed to make room for a wide variety of fruit trees. After descending, Meredith showed us more outside living space with charming accessories, more dramatic pots, and a welcoming sitting area that included outdoor shelves filled with favorite collectibles. And as she explained,
that's what staging's about. You put it there and you make someone want to sit there. And once they sit there, they're going to write the check and buy the house.
I would write a check and buy this house in a
Me too.
heartbeat.
This looks like professional backyarding.